Hello, in this video we will talk about sequences, and we will start with arithmetic sequences. Okay, if we have a set of numbers or an order numbers like a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, where every two consecutive terms in this sequence has a common difference. Note that this is a1, this is the first term in this sequence, and this is the second term, and this is the third term, and this is the fourth term, and so on. If the difference between any two consecutive terms in this sequence is constant, then we say that in this case this sequence is arithmetic sequence. Note that here a2 minus a1 is d, right? A plus d minus a is d. Also a plus 2d minus a minus d is d. Also a plus 3d minus a plus 2d is also d. So if we have a common difference between any two consecutive terms, we say that the sequence is arithmetic sequence. Okay, now how I can find the explicit formula or the explicit definition for the arithmetic sequence is actually, we have a rule, the explicit definition is an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, and the arithmetic mean is x plus y over 2. Let's do an example. Find the explicit definition of the sequence 3, 6, 9, 15, 8, sorry, here 12, 15. Find the explicit definition for this sequence. Note that if we subtract any two consecutive terms, we will get the same numbers. Note that the same number. 6 minus 3 is 3, right? 9 minus 6 is also 3. 12 minus 9 is also 3. 15 minus 12 is also 3. So we have common difference here. In this case, we said that this sequence is arithmetic sequence. So the explicit formula an equals a1, which is 3, right? 3 plus n minus 1 times d. d is 3. Okay, now using distributive property, and simplify 3 plus 3n minus 3. Okay, now 3 with negative 3 will be cancelled, so the explicit formula for this sequence is 3n. Okay, if you have a question, find the 10th term, of the sequence. Find the 10th term of this sequence. We said that the 10th term of this sequence is A10, which is 3 times 10. So the 10th term of this sequence is 30. Okay? The 10th term of this sequence is 30. Now, if you have an arithmetic sequence like 4, 8, something, here we have no 4, nothing here, just 8, and here 16. And the question ask me find the missing term. Find the missing term. And we know that this sequence in arithmetic sequence. So the missing term here, actually we wanted to find the arithmetic mean of this, to find this missing term. Okay, so this equals to 8 plus 16 over 2, which is 24 over 2 equals to 12. Okay, this is everything about arithmetic sequences. Okay, so it has common difference, and the explicit definition is a1 plus an equals to an plus a plus d times n minus 1, and the arithmetic mean, this is, we can use it to find the missing term. Okay, to find the missing term. And okay, now the second type, or the second case of sequences, is geometric sequences. If we have a sequence of the form A, RA, R squared A, R cube A, and so on, okay? Note that here, every two consecutive terms have a common ratio, not difference, ratio. Note that here, R A over A is R, okay? R squared A over RA is also R, is also R cube A over R squared A is also R. So if we have a common ratio, then we say that this sequence is geometric sequence. Now the explicit definition of the geometric sequences is equals to an equals to a, which is a1, this is a1, or a, the same, a1 equals to a here, times r to the power n minus 1, okay? where R is the common ratio. Okay, where R is the common ratio, and the geometric mean is square root of x, y. We said that we use this to find the missing term, okay? Okay, let's do an example. If we have a sequence -4, then -2, no, oh yeah, -4, -2, let's start with two, then 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Okay, this is a geometric sequence. How? Because if we divide the second term or the first term, we will get 4 over 2, which is 2. Same story for 8 over 4, which is 2. 16 over 8, also 2. 32 over 16 is 2. So this sequence is geometric sequence. Okay? How I can find the explicit formula? So the explicit formula or the explicit definition, the explicit definition of the explicit definition of this sequence is an equals to 2, which is a1, times r, which is also 2 to the power n minus 1. Now, we know that when we multiply two numbers, we add the exponents, right? So it's a, here we have 1. 1 plus n minus 1 is what? Is 2 to the power n. Okay? So the explicit formula for this sequence is 2 to the n. Okay? Now, if he asks me find, for this sequence, if he asks me find the 10th term, find the 10th term of this sequence, find the 10th term, we just add 10 equals to 2 to the power 10, which is 1042 or 24, not 42, 24. Yeah, 2 to the power 10 is 2 to the power 10 is 1024. Okay? Okay. Now, if he asks me find the missing term, find the missing term in the geometric sequence below. Given in the question, this is a geometric sequence, okay? If we have 12, and here we have missing term, and here we have 42. 8. Okay, so we just simply the missing term is this is the missing term اللي هو geometric mean. okay, so this equals to the square root of 12 times 84. By using calculator, this equals to 24. Okay, this is 24. Okay. That's enough in this video about sequences. Thank you so much.